In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Trello account. If you've decided it's time to bid farewell to Trello, whether to streamline your online presence or because you're no longer finding it useful, this step-by-step guide is here to make the process simple and stress-free. So let's dive into it and get started. First, you'll want to log in to your Trello account. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the Trello website. Once you're there, you'll see the Login button on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. To make the login process faster, you can select Google and choose the account associated with your Trello profile. This method is not only quicker, but also helps you seamlessly integrate your Trello experience with other Google services. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of your Trello dashboard, where your profile photo is located. Click on your profile photo to access a drop-down menu. From this menu, find and click on Settings. This will lead you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Trello account. In the settings menu, look for the option that says manage or delete your Atlassian account. By selecting this, you will be directed to a section where you can make important changes, or in this case, initiate the deletion process for your account linked to Atlassian, the parent company of Trello. Next, you'll notice several tabs at the top of this settings page. Click on the Account Preferences tab. This is where you'll find various personalized settings for your account management. Now here's where the main action happens. Scroll down to find the Delete Account button. Once you click on it, you'll be prompted with a warning or confirmation page. You'll need to confirm your decision to delete the account. Click Delete Account again if you're sure this is what you want to do. After this step, your part is essentially done, but it's important to note that the final deletion might not be instant, as Trello may take some time to process this request fully. It's always a good idea to make sure you've backed up any important information or data before going through with the deletion, just in case you need access to it later. And there you have it, you've successfully navigated through the process to delete your Trello account. Thanks for watching, and hopefully this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Have a great day.